Without leadership skills, you cannot manage effectively. The same can be said about leadership, as you need to possess good management skills to understand how you can lead with success. Very few people can claim to be born with it. It's a myth that people are natural born leaders. Leadership evolves from developing a specific mindset, developing skills, and then taking opportunities when it comes along. Some do have these opportunities and mindset at a young age and took advantage of it. It is never too late to do this, but it requires commitment and resilience. In this module, we will look at what leadership is and the effective qualities of a good leader. We'll also look how you can develop your own leadership style. And then finally, how you can apply your leadership strategies and maintain momentum by building trust. With this information, you will be ready to lead highly motivated and efficient teams into the darkness of what business will throw at you. Defining leadership and the qualities of an effective leader. What is leadership? At its core, leadership is the ability to inspire, guide, and influence others towards a shared goal. It's about setting a clear vision, fostering collaboration, and empowering individuals to perform at their best. Effective leaders don't just direct, they create a sense of purpose, build trust, and drive success by uniting their teams around common objectives. Let's explore some of the key qualities that define effective leadership. Great leaders have the ability to see beyond their immediate challenges and articulate a clear and compelling vision for the future. This vision serves as a roadmap, guiding the team towards shared goals. Leaders communicate this vision in ways that inspire focus and purpose, helping their teams to balance present needs with long-term aspirations. By anticipating challenges and staying committed to a bigger picture, a leader instills confidence and direction, even in uncertain times. The strong vision not only motivates, but also unites the team, transforming goals into shared achievements. Communication skills. Leadership thrives on the foundation of clear and effective communication. This isn't just about the words leaders use. It's about how they deliver their message through tone, body language, and active listening. Exceptional leaders create an environment of trust by fostering open dialogue, providing constructive feedback, and ensuring clarity in their instructions. By communicating effectively, they align their teams, promote engagement, and build a kind of trust that keeps everyone moving forward. Simply put, great communication is the glue that holds the team together. Adaptability. In today's rapidly changing world, adaptability is one of the most critical skills a leader can possess. Change is inevitable, and leaders who embrace it with flexibility are able to guide their teams through transitions and challenges with resilience. Whether it's adopting new ideas, responding to unexpected obstacles, or pivoting strategies when needed, adaptable leaders remain calm under pressure. Their ability to turn challenges into opportunities fosters stability and innovation, allowing their teams to thrive in even the most uncertain environments. Emotional intelligence. Leadership is as much about managing emotions as it is about managing tasks. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, equips leaders with the self-awareness, empathy, and interpersonal skills they need to build strong relationships within their teams. By understanding their own emotions and being attuned to the feelings of others, leaders can foster a positive, supportive work environment. This emotional connection motivates teams, reduces conflict, and encourages collaboration. Leaders with high EQ don't just get results, they build a foundation for trust, loyalty, and long-term success. Decisiveness. Making decisions can be daunting, especially under pressure, but it's a cornerstone of effective leadership. Decisive leaders analyze situations, weigh their options, and commit to action without unnecessary delay. This ability to make timely and informed choices provides clarity and direction, keeping their teams on track. Decisiveness builds trust, Teams feel more confident knowing their leader is capable of guiding them forward, even in complex or high-stakes scenarios. Integrity. Integrity is a bedrock of trust and credibility in leadership. A leader's actions must align with their values, demonstrate honesty, ethics, and accountability. When leaders act transparently and consistently, they set a strong example for their teams. This fosters a culture of mutual respect and inspires others to follow suit. Leaders with integrity not only earn respect but also create a dependable, ethical foundation for long-term success. Collaboration. Finally, effective leadership is about recognizing the power of teamwork. Great leaders value diverse perspectives, knowing that collaboration often leads to the best solutions and ideas. By fostering an inclusive environment where everyone feels their input is valued, leaders encourage creativity, cohesion, and innovation. A collaborative approach empowers the individuals and strengthens the entire team, making it possible to achieve more together than anyone could alone.